Ladies and gentlemen, sometimes there are so many people who cannot get away from gadgets. Of course, social media. Hi, I'm Nika Nanisora. So, what's the impacts of social media? For positive impacts, there are make it easier for us to interact with many people, expand relationships, information dissemination can take place quickly, and many more. And for negative impacts, there are face-to-face interactions tend to decrease, give rise to conflict, makes people addicted to the internet, and many more. And did you know social media can make us depressed? According to Pew Research Center, there are 69% of teenagers and 81% of adults in US use social